Ang atong mga kaugalingon igsuon mo'y pinakalisod nato mapasaylo. When you made wrong decisions, nasayop ka sa imong mga desisyon sa kinabuhi, nagmahay ka nganong nabuhat nimo to, nagmahay ka nganong nasulti nimo to. Kung ikaw nakabuhat kag mga sayop years ago, hangtod karon you're punishing yourself because para nimo wala gyud kay ayo. And ang pinakalisod i-forgive is ang atong kaugalingon igsuon. That's the very reason mas maka-forgive pa ta sa uban. Pero kung ato ganing kaugalingon, harsh kita sa atong mga kaugalingon. We are putting ourselves in prison. Dili nato ma-release atong kaugalingon. Dili nato ma-forgive ang atong mga kaugalingon. And so many times we are suffering. Ngano man nga nagsuffer ta emotionally, mentally, and physically because of unforgiveness. There's no question with God forgiving you. Because kabaluta na the first time you asked forgiveness from God, He forgave you. The first time. But unsay problema, kita ang wala naka-forgive sa atong kagalingon. We think that everything that's going on with us today, all the hardships, the emotional instability, and wa ka sabot na unsa ka, the nightmares, you think deserve nimo na because nakasala ka. Last year, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 15 years ago. And feeling nimo tanan nga unsay giagian nimo karon deserve nimo na because nakasala ka years ago. And you're putting yourself in prison. That's why unforgiveness is a major door that opens to the demonic realm. With unforgiveness comes rejection, self-pity, wala, okay ra na, ako ra isa, loneliness, and even grief. And this is really important that as a Christian masabtan nato, nga you are supposed to live in freedom. Anak kag Dios. You're supposed to live in freedom, not exempted from trouble, but someone who goes through the process of trouble and yet you have peace in your heart. Kana bitang sama sa mga disipulo nga naa sa sakayan, grabe kay ang storm, pero si Jesus nakatulog sa storm, in the middle of the storm. That kind of peace. You're not exempted sa storm. You're not exempted sa problem, but you can sleep. You can work. Your mind is sharp. You can think of a solution because you know that Jesus is in your boat. Pero what happens when there's unforgiveness? You're opening yourself to the demonic realm where the devil could put in anger, hate, bitterness, and the devil could just hold you in the throat and torment you, wa kay ayo, palpa ka. And the devil would tell you na may pagdi na lang ka mo simba, kay wa na'y pulos imong simba-simba. Now, imong identity ginaguba sa kaaway, and you don't know who you are anymore.